everyone, this is Ina with Inichka Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode we are making a breakfast item. Soon Mother's Day coming, and if you want to treat your mother on Mother's Day with delicious breakfast like salad dough, cinnamon rolls, they are delightful. They're so delicious, yummy, melt in your mouth, and guilt-free, kind of, kind of healthy. And they are delicious and kind of easy to make if you work with salad dough. Let me show you what you need. So you need milk, plain full-fat milk. You need some butter. We're only going to use 80 grams, so don't get scared by see this giant roll of butter. We will need 4 egg yolks, only egg yolks, salt, sourdough starter, and that's about it. And look nice and ripe. Beautiful. This one came from San Francisco and this is from Alaska, and I keep them separate. I don't know which one we'll use, maybe combine together, depends how much we can scale from each container. I need 180 grams full ripe unfed but ready to go sourdough. So let's see. Here's my scale, and we need 180 grams. Yeah, I think we're enough. So we use all San Francisco sourdough. That's enough, and I will feed them later, both of them. They are starving. And to this, we need add milk. Actually, I will dump it all together. And make sure you start with whisk. So to sourdough you add milk and try slow whisk all together. Now add sugar and continue whisking. So we have 3 ingredients: sourdough starter, ripe and ready to go. We have milk and sugar. Now time to add egg yolks. And I didn't separate my egg yolks. From my chickens. Oops. This will save for another recipe. So now add egg yolks. I like to add a little bit of vanilla extract. It's totally optional. It's a cinnamon rolls, so cinnamon it's a stuff, but little bit vanilla it's not going to hurt. Also, I'm going to add some nuts, which is totally option. And some people who is allergic to nuts, maybe you don't want to use nuts, but I love nuts, and I'm going to use some walnuts as well. All right, now time to switch the attachment. It's nice. I think we don't need whisk anymore. Now switch to hook and add all flour. Measure carefully, 6 cups and 1/4 cup. You don't want to add more or less. The dough will be asking for more, but don't add. This is all-purpose organic unbleached flour, and I will link below what brand I like to buy. When the dough almost comes together and it's almost ready, now it's time to add butter. We need 80 grams of butter.
Mama.
And I got helper too.
I want to help Mama.
Okay.
I want to help Mama.
She loves butter. She can eat plain. Right, Matrona? Mm-hmm. And we need to melt. You can melt butter the way you like. I don't have time today, so it will be microwave. While you knead it, add your butter. Slow. And the very last, when you see the dough almost ready, add salt. And we need 1 teaspoon. And that's it. Come and look. The dough, beautiful, ready. Now on well-floured surface, add your dough. This little thing helps a lot. It looks perfect. Okay, very soft. This dough I made yesterday, and it's been well rested, and I would say this is dough a little bit overproofed because stay in the fridge 24 hours, and it's a little bit too much, so the dough won't be as alive, but will work. It's beautiful, it's still soft, very elastic, and very forgiving dough. Okay. I like to shape in kind of rectangle, just to easy roll that way and easy to shape the rolls, cinnamon rolls. Working with dough, it's my relaxation, it's my therapy. I love dough. And apparently Matrona loves too. Traditionally, cinnamon rolls is usually, people use cinnamon sugar for, which is mean 1 to 10 ratio cinnamon to sugar. And also nuts, as I mentioned earlier, are totally optional. You can add raisins, but my oldest son is not a big fan of raisins, so I like nuts more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 teaspoons of sugar. We're using 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and mix all together. So now you have cinnamon sugar. That's ready. We need to have plenty melted butter on the bottom. So I'm going to do the same way in microwave. It's easy and quick. Make sure the walls and bottom of the pan nice, has plenty of butter. The more the better looking.
Okay.
About 2 tablespoons I used. Now this pan is slightly warm, which will speed up our proofing. And I like to add sprinkle with some cinnamon sugar. As you see, I didn't measure. Probably 1/3 cup of nuts. You can add as little or as much as you want. My boys will be so happy to come home today from school and smell this cinnamon rolls. They may not last till breakfast. She works so hard, those nuts. Now, depends on temperature in your kitchen. This may take half hour or 1 hour, 20 minutes minimum. The dough has to rest because when in refrigerator and even after treating my warm hands and warm pan, it's still actually not warm because it's granite makes everything cold immediately. For that reason, I actually don't like granite. We're going to cover with slightly damp kitchen towel, or you can use paper, plastic wrap, whatever you feel. If I can avoid of plastic using, I will. And let it sit for 1 hour or half hour until it's proven. And now, come take a look. It's, you see, it's nice and proof, slightly. No, not cold. And they'll be look even better after they bake. So we need to egg wash, of course. And now I'm going to 350 degrees oven for about 40-45 minutes. It's super hot. I don't know how can I taste. You have to wait. Oh, we have to put on a cooling rack. You ready? Like this. Ready to do it upside down? When on the bottom, sugar, cinnamon, and butter meet together, it's incredible sauce. It's incredible, like caramel. It's so delicious. It's irresistible. Irresistible. You see in some places more or less. You can see it's so good. It's super hot, but I'll try to do one. It's steaming hot. Oh yes. I hope you enjoy this video, and please give me a like, subscribe, share with your family, friends, and cook delicious, nutritious, make from scratch, right? Cinnamon rolls. Bye, see you next time.